How to add music to Google Slides. I am going to show you how you can easily add music to Google Slides. Begin by choosing the music you want to add to your Google Slides presentation. You can find suitable music on YouTube or any other platform. Once you have found the music you like, click on the three dots to access additional options. Then select Copy to copy the link to the music. Navigate to your Google Slides presentation where you want to add the music. Click on the Insert menu at the top of the screen. From the drop-down menu, choose Video. In the dialog box that appears, paste the copied link of the music into the designated field. Once you have pasted the link, click on the Insert button to add the video to your slide. The inserted video will appear on your slide. Resize it as needed so that it is not visible during the presentation. You can make it small and place it off the slide area. To ensure the music plays continuously throughout the presentation, copy the video by pressing Ctrl+C. Then paste it onto subsequent slides by pressing Ctrl+V. Then select the option to play automatically so that the music starts playing as soon as the slide is shown during the presentation. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.